today we are doing ugali. So that's what we're doing now. So just follow the way that we're going to do it, and I believe you're going to enjoy. We call it Miko, so I don't know how it is called in English. So make sure that you have a very nice olupkuon to help you, stir, your ugali nicely. So you have to make sure that everything is well. So and I have a very big sufuria and large one here, just to help give enough ugali for us to eat. So enjoy the process. I used to see my mom doing this a lot, putting, a cross on top of them, the flour that you've already, poured into the water, boiling water. I insist, boiling water. Whatever say unga into water that haija boil. I don't know which kind of ugali you're cooking, but Kenyan ugali, your water has to boil and then you pour in, and it has to be pure water and just two things, water and unga, that will make nice ugali. So enjoy it. Let's go. So make sure you stir it very nicely, so that the flour is well mixed. Ugali. To do a lot, because I only know how to do a lot. Now that is mixing. Ugali is coming. It's falling. What you need to do is just, leave it for about 2 minutes to have enough heat, and then you come back and continue with the cooking. That's how we do it, my friends. Ugali, you have to cook it well. Don't just cook mfano ya ugali and you bring to for people on the table. It is not right at all. That's how we do it. You're back. And then you have to taste it. A typical African man, this is how you taste ugali. You know your thumb. You use your thumb to taste ugali. The thumb, I mean, like you just say the thumb. You use this to taste ugali. You don't just use any other, finger. You use the thumb to taste ugali. So you pick it like this. You pick it like this. Man, this thing is, bringing, that is a director in a letter flow. And we just need very important. You have to, yeah. And this is what you do. And then you do that. And you allow it for just, you reduce your heat a little bit, fry a little bit, and then you allow it to just pick, the final heat, because that final heat is very important. It is very important. That final heat, allow it for a few seconds, and then you do what we call, puko cool. You have to puko cool. So puko cool, this is what you do. See, this is how your pot has to be after cooking. So now what do we do after this? What do we do? Just put off and then do the necessary. You have to shape your ugali. It is art. You have to shape it. It has to be round. When you are growing up, there is an insult. Let me just say that an insult that we used to use, and we used to insult people like "Unyongi noreka kun sauchi," like your head is rounded like ugali of lunchtime ugali. So that's an insult. So lunchtime ugali used to be round. So it has to be round, man. Your ugali has to be shaped well. And then, man, this is it. How does it look? See, wow. Just smell it a little bit. Man. And now this is what you do after doing that. Then you use this.